Good morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. I thought I would vlog a couple days of my life. I thought it would be a little bit more interesting than just doing a day in the life. School is starting for me in 2 days, so on Wednesday. It's currently Monday. Not looking forward to that. I don't really like school, to be honest, but it's okay. So I'm starting this vlog very late. I don't even know why I said good morning, more like good afternoon. It's 4 p.m. right now, but I just thought I would film a couple days of my life. So today's Monday. Today I am just trying to get some videos done because I have 2 more days till school starts, and then I think tomorrow I'm just gonna chill and relax and enjoy my last day without school, and then Wednesday school starts. So yeah, but right now I filmed a like how much my first YouTube paycheck video was for you guys, or I don't know if you guys will even like enjoy that video, but I thought that could be a helpful video for other people that are trying to start a YouTube channel, and like how it kind of works and stuff like that, and like how you get paid on YouTube. I was kind of all over the place. I probably should have like planned the video before like I sat down and filmed, but whatever. I just kind of like went with whatever came off the top of my head and just like talked about things that I thought would be important or helpful. And then now I'm gonna film a try on portion for a video I did like 2 days ago. My favorite clothing pieces at the moment. So if you watched my last vlog, I was talking about the videos I want to do, so I ended up filming both of those videos. I ended up filming favorite clothing pieces that I've been loving, and then I also filmed outfits that I've been wearing recently, so some more casual, chill, laid back outfits, like my back to school outfits that you guys really enjoyed. So I did those 2 videos. I kind of want to redo my Amazon favorites. Like, it's not terrible, but I'm not like, yeah, I don't know, I just feel like I can make it better. And also like I was like hunched the whole time in the video. I'm honestly hunched in like almost all my videos. Like usually it's because like the camera like cuts me off, so I'm just kind of like hunching. I need a tripod, that's what I need, because I only have so many books I can put my camera on. So yeah, I need to film this try on portion before the sun goes away. I probably have what, an hour to do so. And oh, I also need to go, yeah, I also need to, oh my gosh, I'm so dumb, I need to go pray my usher. How did I not even, I didn't get a notification, what the heck. I'm gonna go pray my usher first, and then I will, yeah, I have like an hour and 22 minutes till the sun goes away. Alright, it's okay. I'll probably only do the try on portion for the rest of the day, and that's it. I'm filming the try on portion, but I'm taking a little break to eat these sweet potato fries. So good. If you don't have an air fryer, get one. You can make so many things in it, and like I like how you could just put it in the air fryer and just like leave it alone and come back to it and it's done. Like, it's not like you have to watch it so it doesn't burn and stuff like that. So good. Okay, so it's now 5:13. It's about to be Maghrib in like 2 minutes. I guess I'm just gonna go. I could have done more outfits for this video, the favorite items, but the sun's gone, so I guess whatever I have is what I have. I definitely could have tried on some more outfits, but honestly I'm tired right now anyways. Maybe if I have another day I can add to it, but I'm probably just gonna go with what I filmed today, which I don't even think I did that many outfits. I know I did at least like 2 for each like item. A lot of them were like interchanged, but we'll see how this turned out, I guess. Yeah, I'm hungry still. Like, even though I just had those fries, that was just like a nice little snack. I'm gonna go eat something. I'll probably have my dinner now, I guess, after I pray. So yeah. It's now a whole week later. I just didn't, or is it a week later? I don't remember when was the last time I recorded, but it's Sunday today. Yeah, I don't know, I filmed so many videos like the last like 2 weeks before this, and I just needed a little break, and I just needed to like get my stuff together before school started and stuff like that. So yeah, I did that. My first day of class was on Wednesday, so that went well. Alhamdulillah. I have like 2 more classes I haven't had yet, which I'll have tomorrow, like on Monday, so we'll see how those go. But for the most part I attended like all my classes. Today it's already like 5 o'clock and I'm starting this vlog really late, but today I kind of was just filming some videos. I filmed 1 video, you guys. I just filmed a Shein haul and got that done. I don't know, I've just been super unproductive lately. I need to like start waking up earlier, and I need to get my stuff together. School started, I need to like, yeah, I need to get my stuff together. Like, it's already 5 o'clock and I just filmed 1 video today. Like, before I was able to film like 1 or 2 videos. I don't know why I only filmed 1 today, but whatever. The try on portion of this haul just took me way too long. I started at like 3 o'clock, I want to say, and I finished the try on portion at like 4:30. And I sat down and I filmed, and then I just finished filming that Shein sit down portion. I threw on this like colored hijab because I wear the black one like in almost all my videos. So like the last couple of videos I made, I've been like throwing on different colored hijabs because why not wear the ones I have, right? Not gonna lie though, the last 2 videos I made, I was like, oh, I should have just worn my black one. It doesn't, that color does not look good on me, but whatever. I'm gonna change really quick, and I'm gonna be heading to Costco with my mom. We gotta go get some groceries, so I'll take you guys with me. I'm gonna try my best to vlog so these vlogs are not so boring. I'm always in my room. I'm gonna try to like take you guys with me, so Alright, so I really quickly went ahead and changed my outfit. Let me show you guys what I have on now. If you guys watched my video of like outfits I've been wearing recently, I included that in there. Honestly, I don't even know if I've uploaded that yet because I haven't yet, but I probably will soon. I don't know. But black sweats, a basic gray top, and then this on top. It's not like too cold out, so I just threw this on. Yeah, super comfy casual outfit. I feel like what I was wearing previously wasn't warm enough. I mean, it isn't really cold out, but yeah, I'll meet you guys in the car. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
That's the first time.
Yeah. The first time for me.
Yeah. We're getting ready to go to Costco.
Yeah.
This is so tight.
Get some grocery.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Alright, so we are back home. I'm gonna clean the groceries with some wipes. Alright, so as you guys just saw, we went to Costco and stuff. It's really hard to vlog like in the store. Like, I don't know how people do that. Like, I had my camera with me and I was like, should I pull it out? Should I not? Like, I don't know, I couldn't do it. I just felt really embarrassed. I don't know, I was like, oh, maybe let me just put it in a cart and make like a little time lapse or something like that, but I don't know, I couldn't do it. But yeah, we got our groceries and stuff. I think I'm gonna like take my makeup off and stuff. It's been on for a really long time and I don't know, it's like some days like my makeup bothers me and then some days like it's fine. The mask I was wearing is this like silk mask I got from Zara The Label. Like, honestly, it didn't even like take off. It kind of did, I guess, a little bit, but it like works pretty good, I would say. Like usually my makeup would have been like more off than it is, but I don't know, my makeup just feels like really heavy today. I think I put too much foundation on or something, I don't know, but I need to wash that mask. I've worn it for like the last like 3 days. Yeah, I'm like, should I throw it in the washer or should I just wash it by hand? It was like $20, which is kind of a lot for a mask, but hey, if it's like an antibacterial, because silk is like, you know, like smoother, it's better for your skin, I think, so yeah. But anyways, I think this is all I'm gonna vlog for today. The rest of the night I'm just gonna take off my makeup, eat my dinner and stuff. Nothing really interesting, so I will pick up the camera tomorrow, inshallah, or Tuesday depending if I feel like it tomorrow. Yeah. It is now Wednesday. I believe the last time I picked up the camera it was Sunday night, so I've just had classes and stuff like the last 2 days. I was just really lazy yesterday and the day before that. Today I kind of got up, I got ready. I still haven't even like made my bed or anything. Like, I need to do that. It honestly takes like 2 seconds. So my first class starts at 9 a.m. and like I usually wake up at around like 8 or 9 a.m. Like, I just stay in bed because I don't have like my desk. I put like the TV on my desk. I don't really have like a desk anymore in my room. I mean, I do. I think I should just get rid of the TV, put it back in my sister's room. I stole that TV from my sister because she bought a TV for her room, but she doesn't live here, so like I stole it from her room, you know, and I put it in my room because why not? But honestly, like, school started, I don't need to be watching TV anymore. I finished Grey's Anatomy, which is really bad. Like, I can't believe I finished, what was it, 14 seasons in the span of like summer break. I was honestly like, I would put it on anytime I was doing anything, like cleaning my room, anything. I would put on like TV and stuff like that. Like, I'd watch like 2 or 3 episodes every day, honestly, and then some days like I stayed up late and watched a couple episodes, so I guess that's like kind of how I finished that so fast. I'm gonna make my bed because yeah, that's kind of annoying me. Oh, okay, I also have some packages that came in. Like, I'll open them with you guys because why not? First, I'm gonna make my bed because this is really annoying me and I might change my hijab like this. I lost my jersey hijab, or I just need to clean my room. Like, I have so much to do. Like, I have a little bit of homework and stuff to do, but not too much, so I think today I'm gonna kind of like focus on cleaning my room and like fixing up my room and stuff. So I finally made my bed. I cleaned up like the little bit of stuff that was just like here and there, put it all away, so now my room's clean. I just feel so much better when my room's clean and my space is clean. I just feel a lot better that way. I'm pretty sure you guys all relate to that. But I got some packages in the mail, so I thought I would unbox them with you guys because it's just fun that way. I love watching vlogs where people like unbox their stuff, so like, yeah, I thought I would share with you guys some of the things I recently got in the mail, which I got this Zara package. I got these shoes right here. Zara like packages their stuff so cute. Like, no other brand puts their stuff in like a box with tissue paper, a little like sticker and stuff. Like, their packaging is really good. I love ordering online, you guys. Like, I don't even go, well, obviously, like, because of the current situation also, I don't really go shopping in the store, but like also I just like love buying stuff online because I feel like little gifts coming in all the time. But Got these shoes. They're like black and nude, but honestly, like I'm thinking about it and I'm like, it's gonna get like hot now in like springtime, like, and they're like a darker colored shoe. Like, will I even get use out of these now? Like, I would have gotten so much use out of these all winter time, but now that it's like kind of getting a little bit hotter, am I really going to get that much use out of these? Like, I might return them, I don't know, and just like see what they have next year, or like any other shoes I might want next year. That's the next package. I am so excited to share this with you guys. This was definitely a splurge item, but from Veiled Collection. And oh, okay, the other day, yesterday I think, because it was like World Hijab Day, they were having a sale, which the sale is still going on, like $5.99 hijabs on my Veiled Collection haul. Sana, if you're watching this, you told me like they were having a sale again for World Hijab Day, which I did get an email on. I didn't really think much of it, and then like when you commented, I went on their website and then I like added some things to my cart, and then I was watching like my Instagram stories, and I watched with Lina's story, and she even talked about the sale. And then there was like the specific color she mentioned, I think it was like Santorini or something like that, which was like a nice nude for like warm tone skin colors. I picked up that hijab too. Like, it looks so like beautiful on her, and I was just like, I don't know, like the ones I got I like, but I'm not like in love with them, and like that color looked so nice on her, and she said it's like good for warm tone skin, like a nice neutral. So I was like, let me try it out, and so I ordered that. It was like the premium chiffon one, so that one was like $9.99, but then I also got like some of the Georgia Crepe ones, like these, the one that I'm wearing right now, which is the $5.99 ones. But anyways, let me open this. I got their cards that they always put in. If any of you guys want this coupon, I don't need it. Love 25. Use it if you'd like. Can you guess what it is? If you watched my vlog, I think like a month ago, I had bought in that AliExpress dress. That was like a copy of this dress, but honestly the quality on that was not good at all. Well, I'm gonna grab it really quick to like compare it, but oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Like the quality on this is so nice and thick. Oh, I can't wait to try this on. And like the wrap thing, like it completely shuts. Well, obviously it's like a hijabi brand, but like it doesn't open like the one that I had opened, and then this one from Shein I got also opens. But like, I just wish they were more affordable, y'all. Like, why is it so expensive? Like, they have, I would just buy like the whole website. Everything they have on their website I would wear, honestly. Like, I don't think I found anything that I'm just like, ew, I would never wear that. Like, I love everything Veiled Collection has. But let me go grab that other AliExpress like dress that was supposed to be like a copy of this one. All right, this is the AliExpress one, and this was the Veiled Collection one. The color is like a little bit different. This one's like a darker green, but honestly it's like very similar. The quality difference, well, you can just tell from looking at it. I'm pretty sure it's just on the camera. So this is the AliExpress one, and then this is the Veiled Collection one. Like, so much nicer. I am going to try this on right now and show you guys what. So this is what the dress looks like on. I tried to kind of iron it, but I didn't do too good of a job. Yeah, because I feel like I always show you guys the stuff when it's all wrinkly, so I was like, let me iron this. I kind of didn't get the wrinkles out on the side. Oops. I did it really fast, but it's so cute, and the quality is so much better. Like, you can just tell. I'm obsessed. Honestly, it's worth it. Like, kind of annoyed that now this dress is on sale, like because the World Hijab Day and stuff, but all the sizes are gone anyway, so it's fine. It worked out, I guess. But so I just went ahead and filmed a video, because why not? I filmed my Amazon favorites video. I went ahead and redid it. I previously filmed this video, but I just decided to redo it because I was talking very quiet and I was hunched really weird, and I think I was still hunched really weird again. But I went ahead and filmed that just because why not? I had some free time. I'm in the car now. I'm waiting up for my mom, just warming up the car. She was like right behind me, and I don't know where she is now, but she's coming. I'll put you guys right here. She just said she was waiting for me inside. She didn't realize I was in the car. Should I put this here? Is that better?
अंदर ही वेट कर रही थी तो
I told you I was going to go to the car.
मुझे लगा था तुमने कहा, फिर मैं पता नहीं क्या करने लगी. चलो.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi everyone.
I am now back home, so me and my mom just ran a quick errand. I was probably gone for like 15 minutes, honestly. I thought I would share with you guys my outfit, because why not? I love when people show their outfits in their vlogs and stuff. So I'm wearing this like green denim jacket. It has like 4 little pockets. I love this green color. Like, it's so cute. I love this so much. It's super cute. I got this from Romway. The only like downside to it, that whole thing, but I've noticed like if I'm just like walking and stuff, it doesn't make that. And then I'm just wearing this white ribbed top from Shein, black dark grayish mom jeans. Honestly, I should have just worn sweats. That would have been great too. And then I'm wearing my black Georgette crepe hijab, one of my favorite materials, and I've also lost my jersey. Don't know what I did with it, so I've just been wearing this hijab and it's become like my staple now. So I'm warning you guys right now, my room is a mess. I mean, you can kind of see it, but like my closet is a complete mess right now. I'm warning you guys, just be prepared. So this is from like what I filmed today. Now this right here, I need to like figure this out. This is like overflowing at this point. I think I'm gonna put like this stuff in the drawers in my guest room because those are empty, I believe. So I'll take advantage of that and I'll put those in there. Now that like I'm noticing my closet, I feel like I need to just like take care of it. So I will probably clean it. I do have like a discussion post to get done. It's not like that hard though, so it shouldn't be taking like 20 minutes, but like should I get that done first and then do this version? I'll clean first and then I'll just do this discussion post right before bed. So. Hey guys, so it's now like a whole nother week later. It's Saturday today. I believe the last thing I shared with you guys was me talking about wanting to clean out my closet, so I did do that. Let me share that with you guys. So it's so much better now. Like it's empty at the bottom. I put it in the guest room for now. I think I'm gonna be taking my stuff to Plato's Closet. If you know what that is, it's like a place where you can sell your clothes. I think I might do that because it's just like too much stuff to have, but yeah, I feel so much better about my closet. And then I'll show you guys my outfit today because I like it. I have on this like brown colored ribbed top, this long cardigan, and then my white wide leg jeans. I don't know why the lighting sucks so bad right now, but yeah. That's out. So it is a lot later now. It's like 9 p.m. I suck at vlogging. Yeah, so I think the last thing I told you guys was like I wanted to go to Plato's Closet, which I did end up going. So I sold some clothes. I didn't take much at all, honestly. It's honestly a waste, but like at least I got rid of like 30 items, I think is what they took, and I think I took a lot. Like I still came home with so many clothes. So yeah, I did that, and then I was at my aunt's house, and yeah, I didn't really want to vlog. I didn't even have my camera with me, but like yeah, it's just been awkward to vlog. But my dad checked the mail when we were on our way home, so I got this package, which I think it's my Ana Luisa package. I ordered myself another ring, so like Ana Luisa has sent me stuff in the past, but I wanted this ring, and so I just ordered it for myself. Like, y'all, I really like their stuff. I mean, I used my own discount code when I ordered this. But yeah, so they didn't send me this. I got this myself. So I got this ring right here. Okay, it looks really cute. It's the rope mini ring. Okay, so I think that focused, but I got this ring right here. Ooh, I'm so blurry. It is the rope mini ring. So there's like a rope mini bold, rope bold. I think there's a rope bold and this is a rope mini. I don't know, I'm probably getting those names wrong. I'm gonna take off this thing. I hope it's not too big. So this ring that I previously gotten from them, if you watched like my recruiting Pinterest outfit, I got this ring, but it's like I got it in a size 5, but like I don't know why I thought that was like my ring finger size, but like sorry, the lighting's like really weird right now, but like I was like, oh yeah, all my fingers are a size 5. Like no, only my ring fingers are size 5. So I wanted this ring to wear it in like the middle, but you know, can't wear it on any ring. I mean, maybe my pinky, but it would probably fall off. Yeah, it would fall off. So I just wear it on my ring finger because that's the only finger it will fit on. So I ordered a size 7 in this. I'm scared if it's gonna be too big. Inshallah it's not. Let's see. It looks really like big looking at it, and I feel like it's not gonna fit, but honestly I don't know. I was like, should I get a 6 because this one's a 5? I don't know what other size my fingers are. So if I do the middle, okay. Ooh, it seems a little loose, but okay, to be honest, I think I like it on this finger, and I hope this finger fits. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, so I definitely could have gotten a size 6. Like when I did that, it kind of like moved up, but it's not like super loose because like this finger is fatter. So I think next time I would order a size 6 if I was to get another ring. Like I really want to get like a cute set of rings to wear, but I love this ring on this finger though. Okay, I'm happy with it. Like it worked out because it fits on this finger and it's not like falling out or anything. Super cute. I feel like I would wear it like, should I wear it like that? Should I wear it on the same finger? Yeah, I feel like I need more rings to make like a cute little, like one more ring would be cute. So I'd have like 2 rings on one finger and just the one on another maybe. That would be cute with it like that, or even just like forget this ring and just wear only this one. That's actually really cute. I really like it on this finger. Okay, it's so cute. I love this like rope detail. It says rope. It kind of looks like a croissant. Makes me want to eat it. No, I'm just kidding, but yeah, I got that for myself. Use my discount code though if you want. I do have a discount code with them. I used my own discount code when I ordered this stuff. Okay, so I just realized, so one of you guys did before hijab tutorial master, like how I do it. I'll just show you really quick, but like how am I gonna cover my neck? Okay, so This is a Georgette crepe material that I've been wearing. Alright, so I'm trying to like cover my neck. I don't know how, but okay, so pretty much 2 even sides. I'm gonna grab it from like the inside, so like not like the front part, like the inside part, to get that like flowy look, you know, and like throw it over my shoulder, and then throw it over my shoulder, and then you kind of just play with it until you like it. And then I'll take like my magnetic pin, because I don't like using like actual pins, and I'll just like take it from like the inside. I used to put it right here, but then you could see it, like I was wearing it like that in like the last couple videos, and then I just realized that, oh my god, why don't I just put it inside where you can't even see it? But yeah, like I don't wear it all the time. Like if I'm at home, I won't put the pin in. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. So yeah, I remembered. I almost forgot to do that in this vlog because I said I would. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog in general. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.